Hey guys, guess what day it is? It's opening day for college football. All right. May the best team win. I hope you're watching.
Well, you know what day it is?
What?
It's game day!
Going on? Look at it over there. Settle down.
I'm tired!
Gather yourself together. What's going on, Toby? It's such a fun time of the year. Weather changing. Yeah, not yet, but in the next few weeks we're gonna get some cooler weather. Thank God. It's been hot as HE double hockey stick around Florence, South Carolina, and all the deep south. I've seen other YouTubers out there sweating in it and dripping. We're just gonna do something simple today. Since it's college football, we want to watch football, but we like to cook too. I'll watch a little bit and then I'll go outside around the cooker. But we're gonna do some tailgating stuff, finger foods. We're gonna have some wings going. Janet's doing her Charleston dip, and I think I'm gonna do some poppers. And look what I found to go in it. Barbecue! Got some leftover pulled pork in the freezer. And you know what? It's breakfast time and I'm hungry. I don't use all this in poppers, so you know what else has got to be done with it. Got to have a little breakfast. So that's what I'm getting ready to do before I go out there and get that grill ready. Clean up these wings a little bit and just snip off this wing tip, the claw. Alright, I'm going to finish working on these and we'll get back with you in a bit. Alright, what we're going on these wings with is some It's Incredible Heaven Made products. And then more of Heaven Made products, Amazin Cajun. Yes, we're going to try some of this.
Go Tigers!
Hey, get out from in front of my camera. You have your place. She turns into a beast during college football game day. Can't do nothing with her. Meant to rub these things down with some olive oil, so I'll do that now. A couple days ago, Jason over at Red's Barbecue and Pizzeria showed us his version of cutting them, and I do like that. You just take your knife, sharp knife, and get back within a 1/4 inch of the end and cut down about halfway, and draw you a line perpendicular to that and come down to it. And then he didn't do it this way, I don't think he did, Red, but come right at the end of that line. And this line is so you won't break your pepper. It just gives it a place to open up at. Then it will open up. And once you start working in it, make sure this is cut where it will open and not break. Now, what I'm using is a little teaspoon or half teaspoon measuring stainless steel spoon, but it's got sharp edges, and it will, you just put it in there and it's flat, put it in there and rake like that. It breaks that membrane. Of course, a regular spoon can do it. You just have to be careful not to break it open. You know, there's different ways to do this, but everybody keeps showing another little tip. Then give it a thump or two, and if it's not broke loose, just go in, rake it again and dig it out. I like this way better than cutting the top off, because the top's still on there. It's just, you just have a slit, and if you're wrapping it in bacon, it'll just close right back up. You see, you still have your whole pepper there. I like that way. But, I'm gonna work on the rest of these. I got some Mexi Hots I grew this year. So I'm going to use some of these too and see what happens. I'm going to stuff them full of that barbecue and cream cheese. Alright, 1 pack of cream cheese. In this stuff, I'm just dumping some in. This is some cheddar cheese here. I don't know, something to give it some flavor and color. I'm going to go in with some pulled pork left over. I don't know, that's a package. That was a pint package minus 1 sandwich for breakfast. A couple tablespoons of my homemade relish. Then let's throw some seasoning in there. That's incredible and amazing Cajun. And then let's just mix this stuff up. Alright, let's stuff this up. Alright. That's like packing a bear in a wheelbarrow. Some of you mechanical guys know what I'm talking about. Grab that pig by the tail. Figure out a way to do that. Alright. That ain't bad. I got these stuff. Check it out. That ought to be good. You know what I'm going to call these? Piff Poppers. Ho ho! Got that from my son, Jared. Piff Poppers it is. Fire the jack. Keep stuff from sticking. You know what I'm talking about. Don't get over the fire. Alright. Set these poppers, stuffed peppers, up here. And I can just stay off the hot coal directly. How about that? How's that look? Weber Smoky Mountain grilling modification, so I can use the vortex on this. I love it. You see how easy that closed? No problem. Those poppers have had enough to get this out of the way. We don't need that anymore. Take some inventory here. I think these wings are ready for some sauce. I don't know if I can get away with this or not. Yep. I'm just going to dunk them. I baptize you, hot wing, in the name of the Gamecocks, the Tigers, Weber Smoky Mountain, and college football. Alright, we're cruising along about 320 degrees. This says 395. After 40 minutes, I had already sauced. I turned them over, sauced the other side, and this is that side. They've been on about close to 15-20 minutes, so about 75 minutes on these wings, about an hour and 15 minutes. We'll let that set about, I don't know, 10 more minutes, and we'll be taking them in. Game day cook is some hot wings, jalapeno poppers,
Charleston Cheese
Dip, and slaw. So let's try one of these poppers. What do you say? Let's see. Let's just check this one out right here. Go in for it.
Oh yeah. That's good.
It is good. One more bite. Very good. Okay, let's move down to these wings. Not one way to do these is to grab one. Look at that pretty color on it. Look at there. Let me go in and get this nice big bite here. Very good. That That sauce is a combination of sauce I put together. I'm not showing it to you this time. You've seen it before. I'll put the recipe in the description box. Oh, let's go down to the Charleston Cheese Dip. And this is good stuff. I've had this. And Janet's recipe will be in the description box. You can't go wrong with that, folks. You can use the scoops or the crackers. I use a scoop on one of them. That's a hit at any gathering. You make that and people will love it.
I had to get one too.
Well, it's halftime. Clemson's ahead, 27-0, so they're not having any problems with.
Go Tigers! Go Tigers!
So it ought to be a little more quieter around here in the second half. I haven't even seen what the Gamecocks are doing. We've been cooking and they've been robbing the TV.
They were winning last I checked.
But I could have gone in the other room to watch it. But I've got it recorded. So that's our cook for today. We're going to watch football till tonight sometime. We love college football season. So hope your team wins. And until next time, this is Phil in Florence.
And Janet and Florence. Bye.
We'll see you next Saturday.
Go Tigers.
Hey, 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 hey.